Shining stars learn with fun. Kubalman! Shining stars learn with fun.
Hello, little kids! Welcome to Shining Stars. Let's learn with fun! Today we learned about standing and slanting line. Hi, friends! Let's draw together. We can make a dotted line going down. Come on, kids! Draw a line on the dots with your finger. Follow the dots carefully. Great job! Let's do it again. Come on, kids! Draw a line on the dots with your finger. Follow the dots carefully. Great job! 1, 2, 3, go! Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, here I go! That was so much fun! Look at the screen! This is a slanting line. Can you say slanting line? Great job! It goes up and down. Look at this slanting line. It goes up and away. Can you trace it too? We have the standing line and the slanting line. See you next time. Bye!